Okay.
It's May 17th, La Paloma Court, catching a bee swarm. Thanks Lilia for filming. Tioga's here.
Sister's in the car. Are you cutting it down right now? We're gonna go in the car if they get all crazy, okay? I'm hoping that the camera doesn't hear this, okay?
Unfortunately, they're on several branches.
OMG. Ew! Empty. Can I record from the car?
Can you what?
Record from the car. Don't bring that near me.
So these are worker bees. I don't think the queen's in the middle of them, but they don't yet know that the queen's not with them. So we'll put them over here in the box. And I'm going to take a couple other frames out.
Look what I peeled. Please peel.
Okay, you're gonna be my shield. Stay right there. Okay, weird. Sit down.
Okay, normally I wouldn't need to suit up. There's quite a bit of them, but it looks like there's a bunch of different branches. So I'm worried I'm going to drop a bunch of them. Like that. They're okay.
Have you got stung yet?
What?
Have you got stung yet?
In my life or today?
Today.
No.
That's good. I bet they know that he's good with bees. How was your day, Tioga?
Good.
That's good. Did you do any art?
Yeah.
Oh my god, they're all surrounding me. I'm so scared. Do you see all of them?
Yeah.
Ah! Where are you going? Stay here.
That's the big thing.
What?
Alright, this is the fun part.
No, it's not. Who's gonna cut it down now? Ew! Oh my god, there's so many bees!
So yeah, I wouldn't have needed the suit because I didn't actually drop any, but that's what bees look like.
It looks like cicada creatures.
stop recording.
Wow. Wow. Come over here, film him.
I just stepped on your hand.
Come on.
Please step on my finger.
Well. There we go. There they are. That's a lot of bees. Wow.
Are there any on me?
I don't know. There's Lilia. Hi. Okay, that's it. I'm just going to go put a lid on them and then we're done. Hi. Okay. Don't forget my lid.
Daddy has blood.
Who does?
Here. Why?